Hello everyone. We at Sims Blossoms have got some new organizers for your jewelry arrangements. So I would like to show them to you personally how to use them and how they've been made. So we living in Dubai, we have so much of love for Dubai, and so these have been made on the theme of Dubai, if you can see. Yeah, I'm sure you love these designs. So this is a bangle box, and when we open it up, you can see different sections inside, and this is a chain here. Yeah, and once you open this, you can stack your bangles and then put it back. So it's very easy to use and very simple to arrange your things at one place. It's designed from front, and you can see back side also. It's beautiful with Burj Khalifa and the Dubai skyline, and on the sides you can see the nice glossy golden touch. So it looks really awesome. And then next is the other organizer. If you can see this one, this is good for your necklaces, earrings, cosmetics, or anything you want to arrange and keep inside, because for utility device we've made it more useful by keeping different pouches inside. So there are 5 pouches inside it, and the chains are so nicely done. Very nice, good quality chain, if you see. And at the other side it is transparent. So 2 pouches you'll be getting with inner sections like this, and other 3 pouches will be with flexibility to keep inside. So there's no inside section over there. It's nice and spacious, and all these 5 pouches will go inside the box and can be nicely arranged. And there is a side pocket over here, and then you are sorted with your organizing. Yeah, and this also has a backside design. So both sides you can see nice beautiful design showcasing Dubai's beauty. And then similar to this is one more here. We have given a Burj Al Arab touch to it. Yeah, and this also comes with 5 different pouches. Perfect. And to add on to this, we have a nice potli here. Front back both it is designed, and you can just pull the string to keep them things in place. So it's a full set, or you can have a singles as you want to go for it. Yeah, so this is a whole set what we have made. So either you can have a full combo, or you can just get what you need. Yeah, and for any inquiries about this, for pricing, delivery, availability, you can just get in touch with us at simsblossoms.com, and we'll be there to help you out. Thank you.